Il n'y a pas les jeunes. C'est la classe
So
intermédiaire.
now we have the best female class back live.
Intermédiaire, deuxième.
Navarre.
La première de la classe ouverte, deuxième de la classe ouverte, troisième de la
She's
classe
beautiful.
ouverte.
So
La
big,
chienne qui est classée
so
première en
strong.
classe champion ici, deuxième en
That's
classe
a
champion,
grandbaby of Katia,
troisième en classe
Colin,
champion
with the green.
et vétéran.
No idea why all these are in here.
Vétéran, 11 ans et demi.
Alba. Let's see, there we go. All the girls. Sorry about the angle, people. It's just difficult. Sorry about just seeing different back parts of people, but I'm sure they will send them around a few times, so we'll see them better later on.
Ce sera
Okay,
pour les
goodbye,
autres, s'il vous plaît.
everybody.
Vous faites un tour du ring d'honneur.
Ah, yeah, look. So, left for the competition is Alba from Czech with Jitka, and we also have a young female bred in Spain who is a daughter from Viscolis Thunder Snow, so I'm a bit biased here, to be honest.
Les présentateurs vont quitter le ring sous vos
Beautiful
applaudissements,
females.
s'il vous plaît. Merci pour eux.
Some absolute gorgeous females. Here we have them, a champion female, Alba, and a young female from Spain, from La Borda de Urx kennel.
Alors, en première position pour le
Quite hot here today. You can see that in most of the dogs. It's about 30 degrees, thunder and sun. Horrible. Let's see. So, Mr. Pico, what do we do? Yay! Okay, I'm a grandmother. I'm too proud now. Yay! Whee! Super. Wow.
Et c'est la chienne engagée en classe ouverte qui gagne. Vous faites un petit tour, s'il vous plaît.
I think her mother is Ura de la Borda de Urx, and the father is Viscolis Thunder Snow. Thunder comes back from Katia and the African Thunder. It's a great grandbaby of Riververse Murphy Good, for those of you knowing him. And I'll run in for a picture.